running a web application. So we've seen servers, clients, and we've talked a little bit about the technologies behind them. So where, you may ask, where is the application? Where is the code? All right, so here I'm going to explain a little bit about how a web application runs on a server. And yeah, web applications run on servers. So now let's say that we have a completed PHP project. So the code is already ready to function. Now, to benefit from whatever the application's aims are, this code should be run by a server software. So on server computers, there is indeed special software called HTTP Server. And of course, it's got all kinds of flavors, such as Apache, IIS, and Nginx. All code files are then put under a special folder that belongs to the HTTP server. Then the software runs and processes the code and produces the associated output when a client requests it. Now, to speak in developer terms, we can explain that there are two sides for an application, the front end and the back end. The front end is composed of the code that runs into the web browser, and a browser can only run HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, by the way. Now, a server can run programming languages, databases, and web frameworks on an operating system. So, when you request a web page from the server will approve the request, then process the PHP code, and then produce the associated HTML file. And then the server will send this file back to the client, which is the web browser. So after the web browser downloads all the files, it's going to combine and render them, and then display the page visually, as we can see. Now let's dive into some of the basics to understand them better.